This is a skit about teamwork.
It happened on a moonlit night.
Cabin 12 was returning from campfire.
The whisper of the wind through the pines sounded eerily like the sounds of ghosts.
Little did the girls know, something worse than ghosts was waiting for them at the cabin.
The door creaked as the girls pushed it open. And that's when we experienced the horror.
The blood!
One of the girls had left bloody period underwear on the floor.
What do we do?
It's disgusting!
It's a celebration of womanhood.
Blood bending!
It's the shedding of the uterine lining.
The cabin is in chaos. The world is ending. Who do we turn to?
Ladies! Tampon relay! Assemble!
We rehearsed this with a pad.
So what? Just put it in your training bra.
Tampons are sinful.
What?
When you use a tampon, you lose your virginity.
Heavenly, what are you talking about?
When a woman's blood is in, to plug her hole, it is a sin. Nothing goes in my sin cave but my future husband's thingy. My pastor says that anything that breaks the angel's tissue makes God cry.
Sin cave?
Angel tissue.
Plugging her hole.
It's not
Can I have a tampon, please? I think I'm actually leaking.
Stop laughing! Stop laughing!
I feel sorry for you guys because you clearly never had a purity ball.
What's a purity ball?
It's a dance thrown by your church where you pledge to save your virginity until marriage, and then your dad comes with you and he pledges to protect your virginity until that special day, and you wear a white dress and your dad gives you a ring.
So you married your dad?
Actually, the concept of virginity is a societally constructed one. The outdated myth that vaginas bleed when engaged in intercourse for the first time is rooted in misogynistic and medically inaccurate ideologies. Many people with vaginas are born without hymens, or hymens that are partial or completely to the side of the vaginal canal. A tampon inserted into the vagina does not a non-virgin make. That is a personal definition that only you, Heavenly, can decide for yourself. Also, you should maybe examine and question a culture that would encourage fathers to be so invested in their daughters' sexual lives. It seems creepy to me.